Hello everyone, I'm Koketso Moloto from Cornerstone Institute, and I'm here to guide you through our user-friendly online application process. Let's get started. Open your browser and visit our website at www.cornerstone.ac.za. Once you're on our homepage, you will find the Application tab at the top of our page. Click on the tab to find your way to the application page. On the application page, you will see a form with several fields. Please fill in the required details: your name, middle names if applicable, last name, your ID type, your ID number, and your email address. Once you've completed the first step, please read the terms and conditions and agree to them before moving along. Please take note that if you're a new user, you have to create a password. Please do not forget this password as you will need it. Once you have completed the first step of your application, you will now be directed to our registration portal where you will complete your application. You will then be led to the program selection page, where you will choose your desired year of study, the qualification you would like to apply for, and your year of entry. Please ensure that the qualification for which you wish to enroll is correctly entered before hitting save. Once you save, we will start generating all the rules for that qualification. Please also take note of the program requirements for the program which you have chosen. You will then be taken to the Application Conditions tab. This tab, you will fill in your admission requirements for the qualification in which you're applying for. Fill in your previous qualifications, starting with the start year of your qualification, the end year of your qualification, name of the institution which you were studying at, the level of qualification, state whether or not you've completed the qualification, and the type of institution you were enrolled in. Once you've completed your previous qualification, click on Next. This will take you to the required documents. Once you're done with uploading all your required documents, you will now get a confirmation through your email. Your application will now be under review, and the Cornerstone admissions team will contact you to advise on the next steps. Once the admissions team has processed your application, you will now be moved to module selection. You will see the total credit value for the program, total credits completed if applicable, and the total credit value for the module selected below. First, indicate the module choice by clicking the checkbox. Then select the semester for which you would like to take this module in. If you change your mind at any time in the step, you can unselect by changing the semester or changing the checked status. Review the chosen list of modules and semester to confirm all is in order. You will now be moved to the Initial Payment tab. This is where you will make your payment for your modules and your deposit. Click on the I understand and accept and choose your preferred payment method. And that's it. Follow these easy steps to complete your application. And if you require any further assistance, email helpdesk@cornerstone.ac.za. We look forward to welcoming you to our institution.